Hey there, fabulous viewers. Welcome back to our channel, where we're all about celebrating life's special moments in style. And today, we're diving into the world of education and appreciation as we explore 10 fun and unique ways to celebrate Teachers' Day. Buckle up, because we're about to show our educators some serious love.
But first, let's talk about the unsung heroes in our lives, teachers. They're the guiding stars who lead us through the twists and turns of learning. As we say, teachers are those who help find strengths, wipe away tears, overpower demons, and conquer fears. Cue heartwarming visuals of teachers in action.
Did you know that in the US, there are over 3.8 million teachers? With a whopping 74.3% of them being amazing, talented women. And hey, the student-to-teacher ratio is about 14:3, according to the US Bureau of Labor Statistics. That's a lot of hearts being touched, folks.
Alright, let's jump into these epic ways to celebrate the incredible educators in our lives. Number 1, write a thank you note. Ah, the power of words. Grab your favorite pen, and let's get those heartfelt emotions flowing. Crafting a thank you note is a simple yet powerful way to show your appreciation. Share a personal story and watch your teacher's heart melt.
Number 2, host a potluck party. Who doesn't love a good feast? Organize a potluck and let the flavors of gratitude fill the air. Students and teachers chowing down together, now that's what I call a delicious bonding experience.
Number 3, create a video tribute. Lights, camera, appreciation. Encourage your fellow students to share short video clips about their favorite teachers. Stitch them together, and voila, you've got a heartwarming tribute that'll tug at those heartstrings.
Number 4, plan an adventure. Ready for an educational field trip like no other? Take your teacher to a place they've always wanted to visit. Whether it's a museum, park, or even a quirky local spot. It's all about making memories outside the classroom.
Number 5, organize a game day. Let the games begin. From cards to basketball, bring out the playful side of education. It's a chance for everyone to bond and have a blast.
Number 6, host a talent show. Time to shine, students. Put on a show that celebrates your teacher's impact. Dancing, singing, and maybe a little comedy, it's a day of laughter and appreciation.
Number 7, create a memory book. Pictures, quotes, and cherished moments, oh my. Compile a memory book that captures the essence of your time together. Trust us, your teacher will treasure it forever.
Number 8, have a movie night. Who's up for a cinematic adventure? Pick a movie that's meaningful to your teacher and enjoy a night of laughter and bonding. Don't forget the popcorn.
Number 9, launch a social media campaign. Let's take the celebration online. Start a social media campaign that spreads love for teachers everywhere. Remember, a little recognition goes a long way in boosting those spirits.
Number 10, express through art. Got a flair for creativity? Pen a poem or compose a song that honors your teacher's impact on your life. Whether you perform it or share it as a heartfelt gift. Your effort will surely leave a lasting impression.
So there you have it, legends, 10 exhilarating and creative ways to celebrate Teachers' Day. Remember, folks, these educators mold the minds of tomorrow, and a little gratitude can go a long way. Let's make this Teachers' Day a celebration they won't forget.
But hey, before we end this video, I've got something cool for you. Check out Moonpreneur's amazing program on our website, as we have mind-boggling courses for kids ages 7 to 15 years old. Robotics, game development, app development, and much more. Register for our free trial session to experience hands-on learning like never before, taught by experts in their respective fields. Like, share, and subscribe for more awesome content. Until next time, keep shining, keep learning, and keep spreading those good vibes.